Ever wondered how to make money online through blogging? In the digital age, blogging is not just a hobby, but a potential source of income and a ticket to a lifestyle of freedom. Picture this: expressing your passion in writing, reaching out to a global audience, and earning from it. Sounds exciting, right? Well, that's the power of a successful blog. But how do you build one? How do you turn your passion into profit? Let's unravel these questions together. Let's dive into the process of building a successful blog. First things first, what are you passionate about? What can you discuss for hours on end? The key to a successful blog lies in the heart of these questions. It's vital to choose a topic you're passionate about. Why, you may ask? Because passion fuels consistency. This is the fuel that keeps the blog running even when the going gets tough. But passion is just one side of the coin. The other side? Audience interest. Your love for underwater basket weaving might be endless, but if it doesn't resonate with a considerable audience, it might not be the best choice for your blog. This is where research comes in handy. Look into popular topics and trends. Identify a niche that you're passionate about and has a potential audience. Imagine this as a Venn diagram, with your passions on one side, audience interest on the other. The sweet spot in the middle? That's your blog topic. Remember, your blog's success starts with choosing the right topic. Now that you've got a topic, let's get your blog up and running. Creating a blog is easier than you may think. You don't need to be a tech wizard or have a degree in computer science. All you need is a good blogging platform. WordPress and Blogger are among the most popular ones, and they both offer a user-friendly interface that makes setting up your blog a breeze. When choosing a platform, consider your long-term goals. If you're planning to blog casually, Blogger might be a good fit. But if you're looking to turn your blog into a business, WordPress could be the better choice. It's versatile, customizable, and it grows with you as your blog expands. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to pick a domain name. This is a crucial step because your domain name is your blog's identity. It's what people will type into their browsers to find you. So you need a name that's easy to remember, and ideally it should reflect your blog's topic or theme. If you're starting a blog about gardening, for instance, you could go for a domain name like greenthumbsgalore.com, . If you're blogging about your culinary adventures, epicureanescapades.com, might be a good fit. Remember, creativity is key, but clarity is paramount. You want your readers to instantly know what your blog is about just by reading the domain name. Once you've got your platform and domain sorted, it's time to design your blog. Most blogging platforms offer a variety of themes or templates to choose from. Pick one that aligns with your aesthetic and the vibe of your content. A minimalist theme might work for a lifestyle blog, while a vibrant, image-heavy theme could be perfect for a travel blog. And voila! You've got your own blog. But what's next? A blog is nothing without content, but not just any content, quality content. Let's delve into the heart of a successful blog, the content. You see, in the digital realm, content plays the role of your blog's lifeblood. It's what attracts readers, keeps them engaged, and brings them back for more. But remember, not all content is created equal. Quality over quantity is the mantra to swear by. So, what exactly is high-quality content? It's engaging, informative, and offers value to your readers. It's not just about writing on a topic you're passionate about. It's about writing in a way that your readers will appreciate. It's about understanding your audience, their needs, their questions, and providing them with answers and solutions. Let's talk about structure. A well-structured piece of content is easy to read and digest. Headings and subheadings are your best friends when it comes to organizing your thoughts and making your content scannable. They guide your readers through your post, signposting key points and helping them find the information they're looking for. And then there are visuals, images, infographics, videos. They're all powerful tools that can improve the readability and engagement of your content. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. And in the world of blogging, this couldn't be truer. Visuals break up the text, provide a pause for the eyes, and can convey complex information in an easily digestible format. But remember, writing quality content isn't a one-time thing. It's a continuous process of learning, adapting, and improving. Stay updated with the latest trends in your niche, listen to your readers' feedback, and always strive to make your next post better than the last. Crafting quality content is like baking a delicious cake. It requires the right ingredients, the right techniques, and a lot of patience and love. But once it's ready, it's savored, shared, and remembered. Remember, good content is king. It's the cornerstone of a successful blog, the magnet that pulls in readers, and the fuel that propels your blog towards success. You've got great content. Now, how do you get people to read it? Enter the world of blog promotion, an essential step in ensuring your words don't just stay on your site, but reach the eyes and ears of those who'll appreciate them. Let's delve into the most effective strategies to get your blog in front of a wider audience. First off, let's talk about social media. It's a powerful tool in your promotional toolbox. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn are perfect for sharing blog posts and engaging with your readers. Remember to encourage your followers to share your content, as this can exponentially increase your reach. Next up, guest posting. This strategy involves writing a post for another blog in your niche. It's a win-win situation. The host blog gets fresh content, and you get exposure to their audience. Plus, you can typically include a link back to your blog, driving traffic and improving your search engine ranking. Another effective strategy is networking with other bloggers. Engage with them, comment on their posts, share their content, and even collaborate on projects. Building relationships with other bloggers can lead to more shares, more links, and more traffic. Finally, remember the importance of building a community. Your readers aren't just numbers on a stats page, they're people. Engage with them, respond to their comments, and make them feel part of your blogging journey. Promotion is key to growing your audience. And with these strategies, you're well on your way to seeing your blog reach new heights. Now, for the part you've been waiting for, making money. It's time to dive into the world of blog monetization. Monetizing a blog is about more than just making money. It's about generating revenue while providing value to your readers. There are several strategies you can use to monetize your blog. Let's talk about a few of them. First, there's advertising. Using networks like Google AdSense or Media.net allows you to display ads on your blog, and you earn money whenever your readers click on those ads. The key to this strategy is traffic. The more people visit your blog, the higher your potential earnings. Next, consider sponsored posts. Companies will pay you to write a blog post about their product or service. This can be a great way to earn money while also providing relevant content for your readers. Remember, it's important to disclose when a post is sponsored to maintain trust with your audience. Finally, there's affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service on your blog and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. This can be a very lucrative strategy if you promote products that are relevant to your blog's niche and valuable to your readers. Remember, it's not about choosing one monetization strategy over the others. It's about finding a mix that works best for you and your blog. With these strategies, your blog can start earning money. So go ahead, start monetizing and watch your passion project turn into a profitable venture. You're blogging, you're earning, but how do you know if you're successful? It's like trying to navigate without a compass if you're not tracking your blog's performance. Analytics tools are your compass in this digital world, providing you with the necessary data to evaluate your blog's success. Consider tools such as Google Analytics, which can give you insights into your blog's traffic, engagement, and revenue. Monitoring your traffic helps you understand how many people are visiting your blog and what content they're consuming. Engagement looks at how these visitors interact with your content. Are they commenting, sharing, or clicking on your links? And of course, revenue tracking is crucial to understand if your monetization strategies are paying off. Identifying these areas can help you pinpoint where improvement is needed. Maybe you need more engaging content, or perhaps a new monetization strategy. Whatever the case, remember, data is power. Keep track of your progress and always strive to improve. Blogging is a journey, not a destination. In this constantly evolving digital landscape, it's essential to keep your knowledge sharp and your skills sharper. Dive into a world of continuous learning and growth. Stay curious, and never stop exploring. Consider attending industry conferences, where you can absorb the wisdom of seasoned pros. Regularly reading industry blogs can keep you updated on the latest trends and techniques. Networking with other bloggers can offer fresh perspectives and insights. Stay updated, keep learning, and your blog will continue to grow. There you have it, the process of building a successful blog. We've walked through choosing a topic that resonates with you and your potential audience, creating your blog, crafting engaging content, and promoting it effectively. We've also delved into monetizing your blog and tracking its performance. Remember, continuous learning and growth are key. So read industry blogs, network, and stay updated with the latest trends. Congratulations, you are now on your way to building a successful blog and making money online.